Okay, we also have the ability to start and stop the engines individually. So if I have the fob present, what I'm going to do is just press the center button, the start stop orange button once to turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition's on. Now rather than pressing that center button here or pressing the start button there, because those will sequentially start the engines, what I do in this instance when the ignition is on, and you can hopefully see the orange light there, what I'll do is I'll press and hold the number that corresponds to the engine to start it. So 1 will be the port engine, 2 will be the center engine, 3 will be the starboard engine, and if it's a quad, number 4 would be the most starboard engine. Anyway, so instead of pressing the start, I press and hold number 1. It has started engine number 1. I press and hold number 2. It starts the center engine. I press and hold number 3. It'll start the starboard engine. Now same thing, if I want to shut them off individually, I just select the engine I want to shut off. So let's say I want to shut the center one off because maybe I'm on the sandbar and it's too deep. I just press and hold number 2 and it individually shuts off that engine, and I can just go right down the line until they're all off. And that's how you individually start and stop engines.